Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acid rain. Acid rain. Acid rain. Acid rain is a term used to describe rain, snow, or other forms of precipitation that have been contaminated by acidic pollutants. These pollutants, often from industrial sources, can lead to environmental damage, including harm to ecosystems, bodies of water, and buildings. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The impact of acid rain on aquatic ecosystems is a major concern for environmentalists. Why acid rain is used in example number 1. Acid rain is used to describe the environmental issue. Example number 2. The local factory's emissions contribute to acid rain, affecting the surrounding region. Why acid rain is used in example number 2. Acid rain is mentioned in relation to industrial pollution. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.